Center and the United Nations Industrial Development Organization under the FLCTD project hosted a 5-day workshop on technology transfer in practice. Bringing together professionals from across the country, the workshop focused on capacity building for moving research from the lab to the market, creating products that address real-world needs. The sessions went beyond theory, offering practical frameworks, tools, and processes to help technology transfer officers work effectively within academic and research institutions.
Let me just begin by asking, since this was an in-person course, how was it interacting with the peers of this cohort? How was the overall networking experience like?
As far as this program's participation is concerned, this is a well-structured and thought-out program where my peers are coming from different organizations of PSRIs, what we learned from this.
So I think everything was apt and everything resonates with the requirements of my center.
So it was a very different and very insightful experience interacting with all the peers in my group as well as the overall course.
What aspect of the training resonated most with your day-to-day challenges at your institution?
How to do a techno-economic analysis, how the licensee think about a process.
I think this tech transfer is the most realistic thing I have ever been to, a realistic training that has application, tremendous application, straight away application towards my center, which is now establishing a TTO.
Over 5 days and 40 hours of classroom training, participants engaged with national and international experts on licensing, valuation, policy, and building ventures. The workshop strengthened skills in negotiation, agreement design, and deal structuring. Venture Center remains committed to strengthening India's tech transfer ecosystem, ensuring that innovations translate into solutions that benefit society.